Marked a location.
Welcome guys, welcome back to another PUBG Mobile video. Okay, so this is not a montage, whereas it's an actual gameplay. So I was playing with randoms and we landed in military base. Soon after landing I was looking for gun, vest and the helmet. We had free space in the beginning because none of the enemies landed together with us, or else it would have been a total disaster. As you can see, I got a mutant and I'll be looking for other loot as well. So I directly rushed into C building after getting the loot, and my teammates will be covering me from behind as soon as I make a rush into the
I
C
need
building. And
attachments.
soon I got into the building, I made sure that there is no enemy camping in the building because I will be the first one to be get knocked, which I don't want to be. Then I position myself in a room where I notice a bot looting a crate. That's why I just wanted to connect a headshot through VSS, and that gets connected. Thank you so much VSS for that. Oh boy, my teammates were actually rushing towards the enemy to increase their KD in the opposite building, and I was like, bro, what is this behavior? Unfortunately, I had to
I
lose
need
one of my
attachments.
teammate. And see what happens now. It's gonna be totally insane.
Watch out.
Boy, this mutant is making me ultra noob. And let's see what happens now, okay? I hope I can win. Thank God I had a VSS. It saved my ass, literally. Alright. So we looted the crate and I just wanted AKM and I picked up M24 as well. I just passed one of my health kit to one of the only teammate. Okay. Then what happened was after looting,
I need
my teammate
attachments.
spotted the enemies and then positioned himself without informing me. But you know what happened? Just watch.
Marked a location.
My teammate, he gets
Watch
knocked.
out.
But I'll be trying to save him.
Watch out.
Let's see. Can I? No. I couldn't
I'm
save
really
him.
sorry.
I'm so sorry. And now the situation really gets heated up because the 4-man squad will be rushing on me and one is already in my building. Can I survive this situation? Let's watch. I could hear the footprints and he's straight in front of me. I kind of panic right here. You can watch it and feel that. See. He'll be nading me and I'll be thinking that's the right time to push on him. So this is the right moment. I wanted him to come from the door so that it will increase. I'm sorry. So that it will increase more chance of getting him down. Now the other teammates are rushing towards me. There are 3 people still left and I need to clear them off. So I'll be pre-nading. If that works, it would be much helpful for me to wipe the squad. And they were actually playing brilliant. They were knowing each a print of mine, each a footprint of mine. You can see a Molotov coming from the window and I'll be thinking that's the right moment to rush on him. Now rushed and see the kill. Knock. 2 down. 3 down. I'll be confirming this kill. Now I'm scared of the 4th person. Can I do it? And there we go. The 4th person down.
Excellent work.
So guys, if you like the clutch, make sure you
Get to the
hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe the subscribe button and then subscribe the subscribe button. Alright, thank you so much. After this, I'll be joining my only teammate who had landed Pochinki. Okay, alone.
Excellent
and then I'll be
work.
spotting a vehicle in the barn house. So you can see how the fight
Enemies
goes here.
ahead.
Alright. I could see an enemy proning. A headshot and a knock.
Excellent work.
Thank you. I missed. Actually, the teammate was trying to save through smokes. He just wanted to give
Enemies
revive
ahead.
to his teammate. But I could see another plane going near a vehicle and he actually prone there and I could spot him. And then another knock. So I'll be thinking that this is the right time to push on them. But I was not pretty sure how many people actually they were in. So I just wanted to make sure about the squad. So I just directly rushed because 2 were actually down. And after getting into the barn house, I just tried to nade. So let's see if this works. Yes, 1 down. And a kill. Wonderful. Then I rushed downwards and I was pretty sure that there is only 1 people left. I mean 1 enemy left. And I scoped in with 3x. And took it down. Down boy, down. That's right. Wonderful. Okay guys, in advance thank you so much for watching my video. This is my first voiceover on PUBG Mobile. So I'm extremely sorry if there are any mistakes in my commentary, okay?
Enemies
Alright then.
ahead.
You know, the rest of the video will go with the Goosebump BGM. What do you guys say? So thank you so much once again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Wish you a great rest of your day as well.